Okay guys, we kind of mocked our battery box up. What I'm going to do is these pipes here are going to get welded on. And this is the size of the battery. Now what we're going to have to do now is I'm on eBay right now looking for a battery box. We're going to weld it or bolt it down to this. And my solenoid, my fuse box, and the battery, everything will go in the battery box. Now I got my drag bar on. Here's my drag bar. That's 32 inches wide. As you see, I was able to save the controls on both sides. And I also was able to save the clutch housing. The only thing I have to do to this is I'm replacing the levers because the guy cut the levers. And what we did is we took this apart, cleaned it out with alcohol, and I spray painted it. This is the brake side. That's completely empty, as you see. And I diamond cutted my my handlebar brackets. Now, I might need risers. I don't know. Once I get everything assembled, we'll know. I might need risers on there. And the forks, I just hit my handlebar. That's the one finished fork, as you see. Yes, guys, I even do the bottom too. Got to, man. You got to do all that stuff, man. And this one here we're working on. I'll probably finish this tomorrow. Oh, let me show you guys the part that goes on this. Instead of having just a black box, at least I'll put some bling on. I might spray paint this black. I don't know. We'll see, because that just might take too much concentration off everything else. But as for that, she's coming along. Look how nice that engine looks. I'll tell you, it's going to be a real head turner, man, when it's done. Okay, guys, I'll catch y'all later.